Good afternoon. Alec Baldwin's attorney dropped a bombshell at a simple status hearing in this case. Baldwin facing a manslaughter charge in the Rust movie set shooting that killed cinematographer Helena Hutchins back in October of 2021. The defense now says the state destroyed the gun. News 13's Alexa Skineski is here with more.
Last month, prosecutors downgraded charges against Baldwin and Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, dropping the firearm enhancement concerning the manslaughter charge. Baldwin's attorney, Alec Spiro, this afternoon was talking about evidence when he says the state destroyed the gun.
The court, I don't think, is aware at this point, but I think I should tell the court that the firearm in this case, that's a great subject of it, was destroyed by the state. So that's obviously an issue, and we're going to have to see that firearm or what's left of it.
The prosecution did not dispute the gun was destroyed or if it was in pieces. The actor was rehearsing a scene in front of a camera when a gun he was handling fired, hitting Hutchins and the film director Joel Souza. Hutchins died while Souza survived his injuries. Baldwin and Gutierrez-Reed face an involuntary manslaughter charge. If convicted, it is punishable by up to 18 months in jail. Baldwin told investigators the gun misfired as he handled the weapon. However, an FBI forensic investigation concluded the gun could not have been fired without pulling the trigger. The hearing today was to choose a date for a preliminary hearing. The defense made a request for prosecution to identify which of the 64 witnesses it intended to call.
We would ask just so this can be an orderly process, and so we make sure Mr. Baldwin has a fair opportunity to prepare for this, that the state identify the actual subset of witnesses that they intend to call.
The judge agreed with the defense and is making the prosecution make an exact witness list who will testify. Attorneys are also trying to get Special Prosecutor Andrea Reeb removed from the case because she is also a state representative. They argue it is unconstitutional for her to be a representative and a prosecutor. That is scheduled for March 27th. The preliminary hearing is set to begin May 3rd and is expected to take 2 weeks. Back to you.
Alexa, thank you. On March 29th, David Halls, that's the third person charged in the shooting, is expected to plead to negligent use of a deadly weapon.